Welcome to 815 West 255th Street, a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, new or built single-family home here in Harbor City. Step inside and have a look with me. Step inside through the extra-wide entry foyer with coat closet. Be greeted by high ceilings and the easy care elegance of durable luxury vinyl plank flooring with upgraded flat baseboards throughout. The spacious living or great room flows seamlessly into gourmet kitchen with an island, white cabinetry, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting, the stainless steel sink overlooking the private paved patio, perfect for outdoor entertaining. A convenient downstairs powder room accommodates guests with ease. An elegant staircase with white risers lead to upper level. South-facing primary suite is filled with natural light and features ceiling fan, built-in cabinet nook, and an attached primary bathroom with dual sink and a glass enclosed shower with built-in tile seat, walk-in closet. Two additional bedrooms include one with walk-in closet and one with mirror closet door, both with ceiling lights. The hallway bathroom offers dual sink and a glass enclosed tub. An upstairs laundry room with built-in overhead cabinet adds everyday convenience. If you would like more information about this home or would like to schedule a private tour, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below.